बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम।
Good afternoon, class 5. Here we are continuing exercise number 4B. We are doing question number 10 today, in which we are having a question. What you have to do before starting or before solving any question, you have to read the description what is given. What we have to do. What we have to do here, solve the following while changing. First of all, we have to simplify, we have to solve. Solve means what? We have to see the function. We have to see the sign, that which sign is given in the question, whether it is plus, minus, multiply or divide. Okay, as we are having a multiplication sign here, so what we have to do here, we have to do the multiplication of these two decimal numbers. The very first thing that we will have to do the simplification, or we have to solve the question by using multiplication. Next, by changing the decimal fractions into common fractions. But we have to do the multiplication, but before doing multiplication, what we have to do first we have to convert the decimal fraction, means the decimal numbers we are here, and we have to convert these decimal fractions into common fractions. Means we will convert, first step, we will convert the decimal numbers into the simple fraction, you can say common fraction, you can say simple numbers, and after that we have to do the multiplication. And after getting the answer as a multiplication, we have to again convert the answer into the decimal number. One by one we will solve it. What we have to do, first we will convert the decimal numbers into common numbers, or you can say the common fractions. How do we do it? As I have told you that if we are having a decimal number, a number which is having a point is known as a decimal number. It means that if a number is having a decimal number which is a decimal number, how do we convert it into common fractions? We make a line as a fraction. Okay, wherever we are having a point, by removing the point, we make 1 under it. Wherever do we have a point, we remove the point, and after removing we will make 1 as a denominator. And after that we will count the digits, that after point how many digits do we are getting. 1, 2, 3. How many digits do we have here? 3 digits. So we will make 3 zeros as our denominator. So 1.732 will convert into 1732 upon 1000, means 1000. Okay, this will convert, this decimal number will convert as a common fraction in the form of 1732 upon 100. Okay, this is the way, as we have studied that how do we convert a decimal into a simple whole number. So we will convert both the decimal numbers into its common fraction. 1.732 divided by removing point, taking 1 at its place, and 1, 2, 3 digits we have, we make 3 zeros, multiply what it is, 0.5. Same procedure we will follow here, removing point, making 1 here, and after 1 we are having just only 1 digit, single digit, we will make 1 zero. Okay, it means it will be equals to what? It will be equals to 1732 divided by 1000 multiplied by 5 upon 10. Okay, next what you have to do? You have to do the multiplication. As we are having here the sign of multiplication, how to multiply? We multiply denominator by denominator and numerator by numerator. Okay, how do we do the multiplication? If we are having two common fractions and we have to multiply them, so we always multiply face to face multiplication. We do face to face multiplication means numerator denominator. So 100, 1000 multiplied by 10 will give you 10,000. Okay. And as I have told you that we have studied in the previous classes that the multiplication of 10 and multiples of 10 is too much easy. Why? Because we only multiply 1 by 1 ones are 1 and we write down the zeros. As many zeros do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total we are, how many zeros do we have? We are having 4 zeros. So as an answer we will write down 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. It is so simple multiplication of multiples of 10. And then we have to multiply, what we have to multiply? Numerator by numerator, which is 1, 7, 3, 2 multiplied by 5. Now, in our rough column, here we are making a rough column. And in our rough column, we will multiply these values. 1732 multiplied by 5. Okay? 5 twos are 10. We will write 0. 1 will be carried. 5 threes are 15 plus 1 16. From 16 we will write 6 here and 1 will be carried. 5 sevens are 35 plus 1 36. 6 will be written here. 3 will be carried. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 8. Okay. What do we get? We will get 8660. Then what we have to write down? We have to write down the answer of multiplication. After multiplication, what we are getting? We are getting 8660. 8660 divided by 10,000. Okay. What we had done? First we had converted both of the decimal numbers into common fractions. After converting into common fractions, we had done multiplication by multiplying numerator by numerator or denominator by denominator. We had multiplied the denominators here. 1000 multiplied by 10 will give you 10,000 and 1732 means 1732 multiplied by 5 will give you 8660. Now we have to convert this value into this common fraction into simple decimal fraction. So how do we convert? We have to place a point in a numerator. Okay. In the numerator, we will make a point, and where do we make a point? We count the digits from, or we count the zeros in the denominator. As many zeros do we have in our denominator? We make a point in after counted digits in the numerator. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many zeros? 4 zeros. It means in the numerator, after 4 digits, we will make a point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means the point will come before 8. So here, point will come here and 8, 6, 6, 0. Here we will make point before point 0 before point, and as we have studied that before point there is not any value of 0. We can make so many zeros before point, but there is no value of 0 before point or after point if there is no digit. So the answer will be 0.8660. Okay. How I have made a point? I am repeating again. In the answer, we will count the zeros. As many zeros do we have? We will make a point in the numerator. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros in the denominator. It means in the answer, I will make point after, or you can say from, if we are counting from right, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digits, we will make point. This will be the answer. Understood? Now come to the next question. See its B part. which is 0.482 multiplied by 1.9. Okay. Now what we have to do? Solution according to the question as first we have to convert the decimal numbers into common fraction. So how do we convert it? 0.482 multiplied by 1.9. How do we convert it? Removing point, making 1 here. Okay. Where do we remove the point? We make 1. And after point we will make zeros. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are here. So we will make 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Same as we will do here. Removing point, making 1, 0. Right? It means this will be equals to 4a2 divided by 1000 multiplied by 9 divided by 10. Okay. Now what we have to do? Which sign is it? It is multiplication. So we have to do the multiplication. And how do we do multiplication? As I have told you, while doing multiplication, we multiply numerator by numerator or denominator by denominator. So 1000 multiplied by 10 will be equals to 10,000. Okay. 1 ones are 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have made 4 zeros. And then 482 multiplied by 90. Now in the rough column, we will do multiplication here. It is 4a2 multiplied by 19. What do we get? 9 twos are 18. 8 written here. 1 will be carried. 9 eights are 72 plus 1 73. 3 will be here. 7 will be carried. 9 fours are 20. 9 fours are 36 plus 7 43. Okay. 9 twos are 18. 8 will be written here. 1 carried. 9 eights are 72 plus 1 73. We will write down 3 here. 7 will be carried. And 9 fours are 36 plus 7 will be equals to 36 plus 7 will be equals to 43. And then 7 threes are 21 plus 4 73. Will be written. Then we will multiply by 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 eights are 8. 1 fours are 4. Okay. Doing addition. 8 will be written here. 3 plus 2 become 5. 8 plus 3 become 11. 1 will be written here and 1 will be carried. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. 9,158. After this step, we will write down the answer as after multiplication 482 by 19, we will get 9158 divided by 10,000. Okay. This denominator will come as it is here. Now what we have to do? We have to convert this common fraction into decimal number. The common fraction into decimal number. And how do we convert it? As I have told you, first count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many zeros do we have? We have 4 zeros. So in the numerator we will count the digits. How many digits do we have to count? As many zeros do we have? We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Means after 4 digits we have to make point. So we will write down the answer as 9158. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digits I have made point and 0 will come here. This will be the answer. Okay. What we had to do? We had to convert the simple decimal numbers into common fraction, and after that we have to do the multiplication, and after multiplication we have to again, or you can say, reconvert it into its decimal number. Question number 10. A, B and C is your homework. We have done two questions, and remaining part you will do yourself. The same pattern, same procedure you will follow. Must show the working as a rough column. Do the neat and clean work, students. You are not doing the proper work in your copies. Do the work properly and must maintain your index. Okay? Till the next class. Allah Hafiz.